Magnificent rainbow stretches across the horizon, its reflection dancing on the tranquil ocean waves. Suddenly, Red Parrot swoops down from the sky, breaking the serene silence with a playful challenge. With a mischievous glint in his eye, Red Parrot exclaims, "Race you to the rainbow!" The challenge hangs in the air, promising an exhilarating race against the backdrop of the stunning sunset. As the sun dips low, painting the sky with fire, Blue Parrot's wings beat with anticipation. Sunny, a whirlwind of joy, leaps and splashes through the gentle waves, his happiness echoing in the air. "Only if Sunny can come too," Blue Parrot calls out, his voice filled with playful insistence. Red, Blue, and Sunny unite in laughter, their shared joy illuminating the radiant beach. Together, they run towards the horizon, their silhouettes dancing against the